Hi guys, we're on our way to 36-kilometer journey challenge, coast to coast.
Yeah, this is the start of the journey of Dennis and his vlog.
36-kilometer
36-kilometer journey to Punggol, starting from Lakeside MRT. Good luck, guys.
The Coast to Coast Trail Central is a 36 kilometers trail that spans across Singapore, linking up nature areas, parks and park connectors from Jurong Lake Gardens in the west, the New Lornie Nature Corridor near the center, and to Coney Island Park in the northeast.
Guys, this is the start of our adventure, checkpoint 1. Time check. Let's go. Guys, tara. Nasa gitna kami ng checkpoint 1 to checkpoint 2. Let's go.
Okay, yeah, you're with Dennis, Babs, Jay on the camera, and yours truly, Edward.
Guys, 3 kilometers more to checkpoint 2. Let's go.
Yep, yeah. We're here at checkpoint 2. It's nice. It's second checkpoint for the journey, and another, how many points to go? I think another 9. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's keep up with the time. So, Mr. Dennis, you okay? Check attendance.
All
Yeah,
right.
Mr. Babs. Mr. Babs, good. Mr. What time? See the time.
Time check 9:48. Checkpoint number 2.
Okay. Go.
Guys, nabutan kami ng ulan. 2 oras na kami naglalakad. Sayang. Medyo malilate kami sana ngayon.
Sared, ano masasabi mo, Sared?
Yeah, you just passed checkpoint 3, Bukit Timah. And now it's drizzling. See. It's drizzling, it's raining. Okay.
How many kilometers now?
10. Almost.
Guys, itlog guys, pang refill. Nakahapoy na kami. Mahigit 10 kilometers na. Guys, tuloy ang adventure guys. Medyo tumila na yung ulan. Kaya tuloy ang laban. Let's go!
checkpoint 4, guys. So now is makan time. Yeah.
Guys, tapos na kami mag-coffee break. Back to work ulit. Let's go!